Hello friends, in this video we will see how to change your offline business into online business using digital marketing strategies. Friends, year 2020 has become a major crisis and it has changed life of almost everyone in this world. So the thing is that as everyone is now not able to go ahead with their offline business likewise before, everyone who is like generating 90% of their revenue from offline business, now they have to shift their business from offline strategies to online strategies. And here in this video we will see what are the online strategies which we have to follow to get a business on a track. And also, if you are going ahead in an online business, we have to check out with digital marketing strategies. So what are the digital marketing strategies which we have to check out? Just check out this video. So friends, here are top 3 strategies which you have to use. So these are the digital marketing strategies which you have to use to get your business quickly change from offline to online. So the first one which is there is the first one which we have to use to go ahead and change your business is like generate values. So friends, if anyone who is visiting your website, you have to generate values to them. And how you are generating value is that you are providing a good amount of content to them in terms of providing them a blog post on your website. The blog post which help the person who is visiting your website is like when they are visiting your website, they will check out what are the things which you are offering, and while the things which you are offering, they will also come to know that whether the things are helpful to them or not. The second thing which is there is that whether or not how much amount of people who are visiting your blog post and getting values to them, you have to check that how many of them have started the conversation from you. So suppose if 100% who had visited your website, who had checked out your blog post and they got help or they got benefited from your blog post, but the thing is that none of them has converted or none of them has started a conversation from them, the blog post doesn't make any sense. So you have to make sure that if anyone who is coming up on your blog post, there should be a call to action. The call to action means that after reading that blog post, you have to make sure that they will start conversation either to various kind of chatbots, so that at least the conversation should be started. And the third, which is a major point, is that you have to go ahead and when you had started a conversation, you have to craft a digital marketing strategy. So the crafting of digital marketing strategy is like that: when you had provided free blog post, when you had started a conversation, after starting conversation, there should be some kind of values which you are providing, which will go ahead and which will share this kind of thing to your sales department, in which they will convert the client, they will convert the lead into sales. So make sure that if anyone who is coming on your blog post, first they are reading the blog post, second we are starting a conversation with them, and the third and very important is that making a sales. So if you want to know how to craft a business model for your business, and after making a proper business model, how to make a person read your blog post, go ahead and start a conversation and make a lead and get a sales. If you are looking for a similar kind of thing, DM me and we'll let you know what are the things which we can do together for this consultation. So if you want to learn more about the similar kind of thing, watch out my videos on YouTube. And if you want to learn more about how to generate your business, how to get your business from offline model to online model, so you can go ahead with the consultation process with me. So thanks a lot for watching. God bless you all.